Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Flight Radar and granting location and notification permissions so the app can show nearby traffic and alerts. Enter a flight number or a route, for example BA 117 or JFK to LHR, to jump straight to that aircraft. Once done, make sure to choose a map mode: live for real-time tracking, satellite for ground context, or 3D to see altitude and heading. This gives immediate situational awareness and cuts straight to the data you need. Now refine what you see. Toggle layers for labels, weather overlays, airport diagrams, and restricted airspaces so you understand external influences. Tap an aircraft to reveal speed, altitude, heading, squawk code, and the filed route. That explains why it's deviating or holding. Then use the timeline control to rewind past positions or follow the predicted path forward. This helps you correlate ground events with flight behavior. Make small adjustments to refresh rates and filters. Finish by saving the flight as a favorite and setting alerts for status changes, departure, or arrival windows so you don't miss updates. Once the flight completes, use playback to verify delays, reroutes, or unusual maneuvers, and to collect timestamps for reporting. If you see data gaps or stale positions, refresh the map, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular, or enable ADS-B/MLAT views. These steps restore coverage. If problems persist, restart the app and confirm location services and background refresh are enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.